Putting a hook in a vise is fairly straightforward, but a little explanation will be helpful. First off, you want to pinch the lower part of the bend where it comes back to the point. This is the part right here that should be held by the vise. You don't want to place it too close to the tip. If you do, then the hook won't be held securely and you actually risk damaging the vise. You want to push the bend a little ways in between the jaws. A larger hook will fit deeper into the jaws. The hook shank, the long straight part of the hook, should be horizontal. Right about there is perfect. I've already got this vise adjusted so it fits the hook as it should. I want to be able to hear a little ting when I flex and release the end of the hook, like that. The hook should not move at all in the vise. This is a Renzetti vise. The jaws of Renzetti vices and others that are similar are opened and closed with this arm right here. Fine-tuning is done with an adjustment knob towards the end of the jaws. It should not require excessive force to close the jaws, but the hook should be held firmly. With the lever arm straight out like this, I'll put the hook in place and tighten the adjustment knob until it almost, but not quite, holds the hook. Then I'll close the arm to about a 90-degree angle in relation to the jaws. If I don't have the hook angle quite right, then I can pull the arm down just enough to loosen the hook up a little bit and change the angle like this. Now the hook is in the vise securely and ready for tying. Dyna-King vices are similar to the Renzettis in that they have the lever arm right here. However, the adjustment mechanism and the jaws are a little bit different. These jaws have grooves in them that will fit hooks of different sizes. For very small hooks, you just place the bend of the hook towards the flat end of the jaws. For a little larger hook, you use the first groove. Much larger hooks fit nicely into the larger rear groove. This is a number 2 hook, which is ideally sized for the first groove. Right now, it's way too loose. You can see it wiggling around. The adjustment mechanism is this knurl knob right here. And now it's a little bit too tight. I need to loosen this up just a little bit, and there we go. It's a perfect fit now. And that's the sound I want to hear. And this hook is ready to tie on. Clamping a hook in too tightly can damage both the hook and the jaws. Jaws should hold a hook securely but shouldn't be difficult to close. If you ever feel like you're having to work too hard to close the jaws, it's probably because you are. Loosen the jaws a little and try again.